Ohayo Samurai, pilot. Hello the Gundam pilot, welcome back to Gundam.my. It seems that I'm stuck in an alternate dimension, but I will continue with our review right now. It is the Ashigaru First Order Stormtrooper by Bandai and Tamashii Nations. So this model has multiple versions of it. The current one that I'm holding on my hand is the First Order version. There is your normal version of a Stormtrooper, Darth Vader, Boba Fett, and multiple other characters from the franchise. So let's head to the presentation section of the video, shall we? It appears that we're still stuck in this format of a video. I wonder why. But anyways, here is the model itself. The model is quite simple really. This kit is entirely simple. It comes in with its own blaster rifle. Now this blaster rifle is actually a pin lock type blaster rifle. So that's really nice attention to detail. Sets to the Japanese type era. Because the Ashigaru period is kind of samurai period. So with 4 sets of hand and a single samurai sword.
Finally, we're back to normal. Thank the force. So, we're going to review the movement for the Ashigaru First Order Stormtrooper in normal mode. I hope that we don't go back to the previous mode. So we're going to test the head first. The head can actually move up to 360. This entire kit is actually ball jointed and it can move up and down as so. It can't actually move side to side, so that's the unfortunate thing. The shoulder pads can actually move, but it can't move 360. If you move upwards, it'll actually detach itself. So now we're going to test the hands. So for this demonstration, I'm just going to get rid of the shoulder. It can move up to 360 as so. And the lower part of the arm can also move 360 really nicely and side to side too. So everything from the joints with the Ashigaru First Order is actually really nice, and it's tight too, so it gives you a firm position for it. So the skirts can actually move from up and down, side to side as usual. So I'm trying to make a split here. Unfortunately it can't do so, so the maximum it can go is there. So we're going to test the legs. So the legs can move up to 360, as you can see. Everything, as I mentioned before, is ball socketed joint, including the legs. It's really nice and tight too. And the legs can actually fold backwards and frontwards. Back and front, sorry. So the legs can move up to front, back, and even the upper part of the feet too. So that's all for the movement. That's the end of the review. So to finalize and summarize about this kit, it doesn't offer that much. It only has 4 hands, a single flintlock blaster. Yes, I'm calling it a flintlock blaster because it's literally a flintlock blaster, and a samurai sword. But sometimes simplicity is a good thing, especially for those that don't want to keep too many extra parts. So that's, to me, it's a nice thing. And as I mentioned before, the Ashigaru is set in a samurai period of Star Wars. It's not your typical type of stormtrooper. So that's a really nice, cool factor. I find these models are much more cooler than your average stormtrooper. So I hope you enjoyed the editing, and I hope you enjoyed the 360s that's going to come up soon. Like, share, and subscribe. And as always, see you again, Samurai Warrior.